At Contino, we've seen a real emergence and change in dialogue from businesses wanting to tackle aggressive carbon emission goals. Now, we all know that consumer spending habits are becoming strongly correlated to the perceived sustainability of organisations, which is why many businesses are now reviewing their sustainability practices. However, this isn't the only reason why we're seeing businesses start their transformation. We're actually seeing that organisations are needing to work towards wider net zero goals and incoming regulatory and compliance targets that affect many industries. Therefore, it's really important that organisations need to understand their carbon footprint across the entire supply chain, but specifically for IT stakeholders, they need to understand their emissions and usage in the cloud and link these back to wider ESG targets. Unfortunately, as it stands today, existing tooling in the cloud marketplace is extremely limited. By this I mean current tools do not report enough granularity of resources and services deployed in geographical locations, as well as any carbon consumption information that often lags behind by several months. So that's a big problem because nothing exists to give an accurate snapshot of emissions and compute usage right now, and therefore there's a concerning lack of governance on how to report carbon emissions across industries. Now, Contino's design sprints exist to baseline your emissions across your hyperscaler estate via an independent review of your cloud carbon footprint. We use both open source third-party tooling and Contino's metrics dashboards to measure emissions. It also exists to visualize your carbon footprint and cloud usage from the perspective of sustainability. And lastly, it brings together businesses and IT stakeholders for educational workshops on how technology can contribute to company-wide sustainability missions.
During the Sustainability Design Sprint, we help our customers establish a baseline from which to optimise from. We do this by selecting appropriate metrics based on a strong understanding of a customer's business and technology estate, provide tools to measure the metrics in a repeatable way, and provide prioritised and actionable recommendations. We support our customers to align their IT team's KPIs and actions with wider business goals and generate momentum on the path to more sustainable technology.
The sprint is a 2 to 3 week initial investment with a fast onboarding process to gain access to cloud systems and key personnel in the first week. Workshops will take place over the first week to cover business and architectural overviews, to level set on the sustainability agenda, before then applying tooling designed to gather data across all areas of cloud services used by that function. In the second half of the sprint, we take participants through the data collected, present the insights that have been derived, and importantly ensure the recommendations are made visible and are fully understood. The participants can then contextualise this to produce a prioritised approach to dealing with the recommendations and, more importantly, begin the next part of their sustainability journey.